Kamagani everyone, this is Shivangi Khangarod. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what are my favorite 5 face washes that just go with all the skin types. So the one of the most important thing is normally people used to clean their face in the morning and they just skip cleaning their skin in the night time, but cleaning the skin in the morning just prevents the excess oil production, whereas in the night time cleansing the skin before bed prevents dehydration. So make sure that you just clean your skin twice in a day. So if you want to see what are the 5 face washes that I'm using constantly, then please keep on watching. Now the 3 face washes are an Indian brand. So if you love Indian brands, you can just go through. So the first, Aroma Magic White Tea and Chamomile face wash. Now this face wash, I'll show you how it looks. It looks like this. It is light blue in color and it has blue micro beads in it, like you can say the granules in it. What is the thing which I love about this brand is it does not use any harmful or harsh chemicals in its products. And this one is my favorite face wash. It has white tea and chamomile and it's an everyday pollution defense face wash. It washes off easily with a few splashes of water. It does not lather too much, so which shows that it does not contain SLS and which is very good for your skin. So now what it says is I'm 100% free of parabens, soap, alcohol, artificial coloring and fragrance. I deep clean your pores with white tea and soy milk extracts and exfoliating micro beads. Now granules are not doing anything, like if you would touch it, it will burst out, so it's not exfoliating your skin. You are getting 100 ml in rupees 185. In an Indian brand, this one, the brand Aroma Magic is my favorite one. This one I love the most. Now the second face wash, again it's an Indian brand, and this Indian brand is so famous and all of you somewhere, if you are starting your skincare, I'm sure that every girl has get a hand over to this face wash, and that is Biotique Bio Neem Purifying Face Wash. Now all the face washes which I'm going to show you are, first of all, they preferred for all the skin types. You can use it at your teenage days as well, and both men and women can use it. It's in 200 ml size. Now you can get less quantity of it also, but I just love this because I'm using it more to cleanse my makeup as well. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. It has a pump and it is green in color. Now it also in gel, which is blended with neem leaves, rita and collagen to remove impurities, prevent pimples and scars. It has antibacterial properties that just makes your skin zit free and clear. And the most favorite thing about this face wash is that it dissolves the makeup and eliminates the junk out of your pores. Now normally I would be very honest to you, I take off my makeup by using the coconut oil and then I use this face wash directly, and it just it just instantly dissolves my all makeup, and there's no need to use any cleansing balm when you are having this face wash. It just foams up beautifully. Now if you are wondering that I have used this Aroma Magic face wash in the neem one also, but why I have picked this one is because I want to show you these are the Indian brands you can go through and you can pick your favorite one. Now I haven't bought this in 240 rupees. I have bought this in 192 rupees when the sale is going on. It's in 200 ml product. So you can use it a lot and it just lasts 2 months or more than 2 months. Now the third face wash is Himalaya Oil Clear Lemon Face Wash. This face wash is tagged with superb astringent properties of lemon. I will show you how it looks like. It has blue granules in it, so you can see that. And lemon face wash can limit the pores on oily skin and furthermore cleans the skin. It also limits the dull spots, pimple stamps and scars. As you all know that lemons are rich in citrus extract, or you can say the vitamin C. When we use lemon rich items, it just gives a burst of freshness, and this is the one reason why people who have oily skin must include lemons in their beauty regime. Now I would say that if you have dry skin or if you have normal skin, I must say that try this face wash, because it's not that kind of a face wash that just when you just wash your face it makes your skin dry. It's not very harsh over to the skin. It's a soap free face wash, so it doesn't foam up too much. You can get a quantity of 150 ml in rupees 155. Now my fourth face wash is from a Korean brand. This one is the Herb Day Cleansing Foam in Peach by The Face Shop. Now, Korean beauty items are high in demand everywhere throughout the world. And Korea is the beauty capital of all the world that just makes inventive items and that are simply astonishing. I'll show you how it looks like. It just looks like this. And the consistency of this product seems to be like in whipped cream. When you will just place it over to your skin, it just gave you a satin finish. But the only drawback of this face wash is, like normally, I love my cleanser that just foams up to a nice cloudy finish. So I was a little bummed about it. But then overall, it's a good face wash. Now I have tried this Face Shop Herb Day Cleansing Foam in lemon one also, but my choice will be for this face wash more, because it's just meant for all skin types. But then if you have super dry skin, you can't use this face wash because it just extracts all the oiliness from your skin, and when you will just wash your face, you have to moisturize immediately after using this product. This is a very large tube. I didn't remember the price of this product. Now the last face wash, and this one has to be used because it is so good, and it's Nivea Face Wash Milk Delight in Moisturizing Honey. So this face wash has a pure white liquid creamy consistency. I will show you how it looks like. Now it has some brown particles which are there to signify honey extract. The formula is so soft, so smooth, and lathers decently. Just removes excess oil from my skin and without making my skin dry. With that, it instantly adds the brightness, and it's an 100 ml size. Cost of rupees 165, and it is one of the face wash that just tackles the dull texture too. And I just feel is don't have to go and do an exfoliation like every day. So I just don't love that beads that just make the skin look so rough, and that's the reason I just pick those kind of face washes that are very soothing to the skin, that are very calm, that just don't irritate your skin at all. So yeah, that's all. If you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel and click on the ring bell button. In this way you will get notified whenever I will be posting a new video. Make sure that you just comment down below what are your favorite face wash that just makes your skin look more clear. Until then, I'll meet you in my next video. Bye bye, take care.